Hello everyone. How are you all? I wish to introduce a revolutionary solution to the worldwide wastewater treatment, called wastewater management. Here's the complete layout of wastewater treatment plan, which encompasses several layers of treatment including primary, aeration and secondary tanks. For a common understanding, let's take a tour on the process of wastewater treatment. The wastewater enters the input tanks T1 and T2, and then proceeds towards the dredge D1 to remove the solid wastes. Then the contents flow to a sedimentary tank T3, where the solid waste are separated at the bottom trash. Then the contents pass through the preliminary aeration chamber A1, from where the semi-solid wastes, including harmful chemical effluents, are collected as the scum. The residual water flows through the primary, aeration and secondary tanks. As soon as the process is complete, the treated water enters the local water bodies after finalize the cross-checking, and the wastewater enters the digestion chamber where the biological effluents are removed, and then the contents are transferred to the drying chamber, where the sludge is dried for the separation of biogas, like methane. Then the processed sludge is taken to utility point, where it's used for various purposes. We are going to implement the Internet of Things concept with the primary, secondary and aeration tanks. Let's now take a detailed look at what's happening on these tanks in general. The modules S1, S2 and S3 represent the sensors on all these tanks and final water bodies, which will read the values of TSS, total suspended solids, nitrogen, pH, temperature, and BOD from them. These data are completely collected and sent to the IoT cloud, from where the data are interpreted into the website, which is accessible through a remote machine, a desktop computer.